This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mojito without Sprite and soda, only ways. Muddle fresh mint with sugar and lime immediately to release the oils and aroma. Add light rum and chilled sparkling water, then taste and adjust sweetness with more sugar if needed. Gently stir to mix without bruising the mint further. Serve over crushed ice with a mint sprig garnish for a refreshing, balanced cocktail you can enjoy at home. Start by prepping everything on a clean surface so you can move smoothly. Measure rum and lime juice precisely to keep balance, and warm the mint slightly in your hands to wake the oils. Use a gentle, controlled muddle to avoid tearing leaves and creating bitterness. Keep sparkling water ice cold for best fizz, and have a garnish ready to add a fresh scent as soon as the drink hits the glass. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. On another note, quick recommendation. Life is too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a cool, bold scent that matches your minty mojito vibe. It's a small, fun upgrade between sips. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by muddling mint, sugar, and lime in the served glass to wake the flavors. Pour in measured rum and heap crushed ice to chill quickly and dilute correctly. Top with sparkling water until you reach your preferred carbonation, and give a gentle stir to combine without shredding the mint. Taste and tweak sweetness or lime as desired, then garnish and enjoy a homemade mojito that's bright, fizzy, and perfectly balanced without soda or Sprite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.